Oh my god! They do look like they've been murdered. Seriously, they have. Right, let's just do...
Don't know if you can see me. How can they see me? They can see you.
Yeah, but you had it at a very awkward angle. You talk. Let me shine your torch on you if you're gonna do anything.
We're gonna. This is a Ministry of Justice building.
No. Right, I'll do it.
This is a Ministry of Justice building. Right, that's it.
Oh, right.
That's it? Is that all you got?
No, that's what it is, isn't it?
I know, but you did all of that for that.
Yeah, but I don't know anything about this place.
I know, but like, you did the whole setup of shining the light on the face and all that kind of
On the
bollocks
face?
just to say this is a Ministry of Justice building.
That was very good.
How are we going to tackle this then? I reckon most of the rooms are probably empty. Are we going to make a point about this being like only second? Third.
Oh, the night one, yeah.
Yeah, third night.
Third night time one because strapped for time because it's in
Winter.
It is winter, yeah. I've had a look through this door.
What, you don't like it?
You have a look.
Oh my god!
The Pigeon Killer's mansion.
They do look like they've been murdered.
Somebody says that there,
And then it says die on the wall. They've been murdered. Seriously, they have been murdered. And that says ritual. But it's not, it says rituai because they've used all capitals apart from the L.
What is
You
it?
alright now? It's a piece of cake.
That pigeon for fuck's sake. There's no one there.
Seriously, someone's been fucking killing these things. Do you reckon they've had gun people out?
Do you reckon they've been doing it for me? Look at that, that just looks fresh as
That's a bird. Is it a bird? That looks like his neck's been broken. No, look at it. Look at it. Because it's off centre.
his neck's been broken.
What the fuck is going on?
That sounds a bit heavy for a bird.
That's a bird.
There's more. Maybe this is the biggest bird.
It's a bird, isn't it?
That's the big bird that's been killing all the other birds.
What? Big Bird from Sesame Street?
The drugs now.
Whoa, whoa, Dalton.
Excuse me.
You missed the giant safe.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Oh yeah. Two more. Another one.
There's 3 there. 4. Jesus Christ.
Shh. That's
Gas canister.
oh my
There's
god.
3 down there. What? They're like doves, they're not pigeons, they're white.
I don't know the difference, but
You don't know the difference between a dove and a pigeon?
Oh, it stinks.
Because it stinks. Oh god, it's the smoking of it.
That one's been beheaded. Oh my god.
Oh my god, that one has actually been beheaded.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god. Fucking hell, Norton.
That one looks really peaceful. It got caught as a surprise attack. There was someone outside with a torch shining it in.
Are you sure?
yeah, I swear to God.
Reflection.
No, they walk past. Do you want to go upstairs before?
I don't like this.
Neither do I. Let's go upstairs.
This is why we don't do shit in dark.
Oh my God.
That's a head.
That's the fucking head.
That is a head.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
That is a head.
I don't really want to go upstairs.
I don't really want to be here anymore.
Before we do this.
Come on, boys.
I'm fucking right, guys.
You feel a bit
I'm fucking scared.
That was Big Bird.
upstairs. And then there's B&Q next door.
Fucking more. Some of the wings taken off. Too many birds. This place is fucking weird as fuck.
Do you know what, right? There's got to be a logical explanation for this. They've had the exterminator, and the exterminator they hired was like some chap who like torturing birds too. So he kills them and then takes their heads off because he's fucking mental.
Boys, look,
Is that a blood?
this is fucking. Oh,
That's fresh.
that is fresh, bro. What the fuck? That is fresh, actual fuck. That is fresh blood.
It's in and around. This isn't funny now.
The thing is, right, there's nothing in here that a pigeon would just hit itself on, or break its neck on a window or some shit like that. You know, we see dead birds in places. There's no reason for the
I know this is probably really interesting, right? But you're taking too long to explain it, and I don't want to be here any longer than we have to be. So why don't you save it for later on when we can talk?
in the van.
Yeah, right.
But look, that's obviously fucked. That's fresh. They are really fresh. If I wasn't so scared, I would feel them to see if they were still warm. But I don't want to.
Right, let's... Oi, boys.
Someone's been throwing shit now.
Yeah, right. Let's just do...
Someone's shouting at us.
There's a light outside. Brits, please. My heart is going dead to the dozen. It's not inside, it's shining through windows. Oh fuck, sorry, I can't see you.
He might pass it off as pigeons.
I'm hoping it's just security. This is the only time I'm hoping it's security.
Just get the fuck out of here.
I think so.
Because I'm shitting myself. There's fuck all in here.
There is fuck all in here.
You should go down and then if it's scary, just point out your arms way out.
Where's way out? Because we're breaking.
Yeah.
Is that? Is that?
Alright, bud, you alright? Alright.
Whoa. Right, we're going.
Yeah.
The police are actually on the way.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can we get off?
Alright, we'll just get off.
No, you have to stay there.
Alright?
No, the police are on the way. Stay there. You're trespassing. You as well.
Alright, okay.
You as well.
You know how long we'll be?
Yeah, do you know how long you'll be?
Well, you said you can come in here and take photos anyway.
Well, it's just like...
It belongs to the military defence.
It belongs to the Ministry of Defence. We didn't know who it belongs to.
The MOD. Well, the sign up there, it belongs to the Army. Prison Service. Army.
Oh, it says B&Q as well, so...
B&Q that way, it looks arrows. Because it belongs to the MOD, Ministry of Defence. Right. And they can send you down the law for at least 6 years.
You what?
They can send you to prison if they want to.
Yeah.
If it's actually burglary, you're breaking in.
Well, we haven't broken in. The window's wide open.
Been in.
Yeah, I know we've been in, but
Yeah.
the window is wide open. I mean, I don't know if you know why there are so many dead pigeons.
Because it's the ghosts.
It's the ghost.
No, that is haunted.
Ghost is going around and cracking.
Well, I'm serious. That is haunted in there. Oh, right then.
That is
I'd never known ghosts with knives to cut pigeons' heads off.
You never heard of a poltergeist?
I've heard of one, yeah. I've heard of a lot of things.
Right, chaps. I'll speak to you guys first.
Yeah.
What's happening here?
Well, we just heard about it online, and that it's obviously an old building, and we just come to take some pictures.
Come to take some photos, haven't you?
Yeah.
Not come to take anything.
No,
not at all.
Not at all.
Okey-doke. Right, have you got in then, chaps?
That window
That
there,
window
Through
wide
there.
open,
It's
wide open.
unsecured, slid it open.
Completely wide open.
Well, then went in there yesterday, right on
It's not secured at all, is it, that window? Do you know if there's anything missing at all? I don't think these chaps have got anything on them, have they? Gents, I'm going to grab your details and then propose to take any formal action. Obviously, you shouldn't be in there.
No,
it's civil
no.
trespass. We're not
Yeah,
going to class it as
understand.
burglary. There's been no damage. There's been nothing taken.
Yeah.
Talking to you, you clearly ain't burglars.
No.
You've got a high-level camera on you. Do you know what I mean? It's like we do get this from time to time,
Yeah, we
unfortunately.
understand.
But please just be mindful of it because they are guarded and it does make us
Yeah.
come out in blues and twos.
Yeah.
Armed response on route and everything,
No, we
which
get
I've had to cancel. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So there is
exactly.
a
Got
lot
better
goes
things to
into
do.
it. So just grab your details and fellas. Right, start with you first and chat what's wrong.
Jonathan Norton.
Jonathan Martin.
Jonathan Norton, sorry.
Oh, sorry, Knight. Is that what
Norton.
Oh, Norton.
N-O-R-T-O-N, yeah.
It's that northern accent of yours. And where do you live?
Wakefield.
Wakey. What are you doing down here?
You know Wakefield?
So you're from Wakefield?
Yeah, well, yeah.
So you come all the way here just to have a look in here?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
You need a different hobby.
Some crazy ass fucking... it was haunted.
Oh, yeah!